Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Woohoo! I want to tell you about a great app. It is Mr. Rebate. I've been using this for years. And I just want to tell you about it. They got over 3,000 stores for cash back. Look at that. Walmart, Macy's, eBay. Look at that. JC Penney. JC Penney always have sales. And I will say a lot of the sales I go to, but most of them I try to do. And online, and then they're giving cash back, and then they having the sales and they coupons. Oh my goodness. And then look at HSN. Great stores. Mr. Rebate, it's been around for a good while. I know I've been with them, I'm gonna say, right, maybe 7 years. I've been getting the rebates from them. They are real good. What I love about them, that it got an A+ with the Better Business Bureau. So you shouldn't have any problems with them. I haven't heard any complaints about them. It's just a great site, for you to save money. Look, most of these sites like Walmart, Macy's, eBay, you're going to go on there anyway. So why pay the full price when you could get cash back for it? Yes, cash back over 3,000 stores. You can't beat that. I love it. I love to shop, but I also do. I love to save. So I want to tell you about that. And look as we stroll down. Levi's store. Look at HSN, Tommy Hilfiger, Macy's, and look at Home Depot, Sephora. Like I said, if you want to get your makeup and your hair products, get 3% cash back. You know you got to get all that stuff anyway so you can look good and everything. What's wrong? What's wrong with that? Nothing. Nothing at all. And just about saving money. On these sites, you're going to go on anyway. We're back to school, and then next thing you know, we're going to be dealing with the holidays. Like I said, it's free to join. Just shop like you normally shop, like online. If you can't find a store, go under search stores and see if it's under there because they got over 3,000 plus stores. And then make a purchase to make sure you get your cash back. That's simple. Now, one thing about it, you might have to wait 90 days, so you won't have any returns or anything like that. But the thing is, you get cash back on things you're gonna buy online anyway. That's how I look at it. I look at it as extra money that I could do whatever I want to do. Maybe I want to get some more shoes. Maybe I want to get another blouse or anything. That money adds up, especially in 3 months. You bill it up and you hit cash out, and the cash out start at $10, $10 and up. You could stop at $10 or you could just wait till bill up to maybe a goal you want to set. I love it. I love to shop and I love to save, and I want to pass on the savings to you. I'm the free merchandise lady. Everything I don't get for free. But guess what? I get some money just for shopping anyway. This is a great way. Like I said, it's free to join, and look at all the list of names. And like I said, I love this site. And like I said, the link is below. Get started. Free to join. And the link is below. Get that cash back. Because you know you're going to shop at these places anyway. Free merchandise lady. Hashtag free merchandise lady. Check out my other videos as well. Thank you.